Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Stock. First, head over to the Adobe Stock website. You'll find a vast library of high-quality creative assets, including millions of photos, vector graphics, and video clips. Take a moment to explore the intuitive interface and familiarize yourself with the main categories. This platform is designed to help you quickly find exactly what you need for your next project, saving you valuable time and effort. To find the perfect asset, use the powerful search bar and refine your results with filters like orientation, color, and depth of field. Once you've found an asset, review its licensing terms carefully. Standard licenses cover most uses, while enhanced licenses offer broader rights for larger print runs or merchandise. You can easily preview assets and save them to your personal libraries, making it simple to organize your selections before committing to a download. One of the biggest advantages of Adobe Stock is its deep integration with Creative Cloud applications. You can browse, license, and even place watermarked assets directly into your Photoshop, Illustrator, or in design projects. Once licensed, the watermarks disappear automatically. This seamless workflow ensures your creative process remains uninterrupted, allowing you to focus on design rather than managing files. Your assets are also synchronized across all your devices, providing consistent access. If you're a creator, consider becoming an Adobe Stock contributor. You can submit your own high-quality photos, vectors, and videos to the platform. There are clear guidelines for submission, ensuring quality and consistency. Once approved, your work becomes available to millions of users worldwide, and you can earn royalties, typically 33%, each time your content is licensed. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creative talents and reach a global audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.